Achieving that natural glow can sometimes feel elusive, but it doesn't have to be. The right products can transform dull, tired skin into a radiant masterpiece. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 best natural glow products, highlighting their features, benefits, and why they're worth your attention. Whether you're after hydration, a dewy finish, or a lit from within look, these products have got you covered. Let's get glowing. Kicking off our list at number 1, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask is a cult favorite for a reason. Infused with the hydrating power of watermelon, this mask promises to leave your skin soft, supple, and radiant. Designed to deliver overnight results, it's a skincare savior for anyone in need of a quick glow-up. Key features: packed with watermelon extract, this mask is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that nourish and protect the skin. AHAs gently exfoliate to reveal smoother skin, while hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration. Its gel-like texture is lightweight and non-greasy, making it suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: the mask exfoliates dead skin cells, hydrates deeply, and brightens the complexion overnight. Simply apply a generous layer to clean skin before bed and wake up with a glowing complexion. For a quick pick-me-up, it can also be used as a 10-minute wash-off mask. Usability: its dual-purpose nature makes it incredibly versatile. The light scent of watermelon enhances the application experience, and the non-sticky formula ensures comfort while you sleep. Durability: a little goes a long way with this product. The 2.7-ounce jar lasts several weeks, even with regular use, making it a cost-effective addition to your skincare routine. In the second spot, we have ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint. The ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint is the ultimate multitasker, blending skincare, makeup, and sun protection into one seamless product. It's perfect for anyone looking to achieve a natural glow with minimal effort. Key features: formulated with squalane, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, this serum hydrates, smooths, and strengthens the skin barrier. It also boasts SPF 40, offering essential sun protection. The lightweight, buildable formula provides sheer to medium coverage with a dewy finish. Benefits and usage: the serum evens out skin tone, blurs imperfections, and provides a radiant glow while nourishing the skin. Shake the bottle well before applying a few drops to your fingertips or brush, and blend evenly across the face. It's perfect for everyday wear. Usability: the dropper applicator allows for precise use, minimizing waste. Its non-comedogenic formula makes it ideal for sensitive and acne-prone skin. The wide shade range ensures a match for every skin tone. Durability: with its 1-ounce bottle, this product lasts for months, even with daily use. The combination of skincare benefits and makeup coverage ensures you're getting exceptional value. Coming in at number 3 is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. The Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand is a makeup game-changer. This liquid highlighter delivers a soft focus glow that mimics the look of light hitting your face in all the right places. Key features: enriched with treated pearls, this wand creates a luminous effect that blends effortlessly into the skin. The cushion applicator ensures a seamless application, while the gel-like texture provides a natural, dewy finish. It's available in a variety of shades to suit different skin tones. Benefits and usage: perfect for highlighting the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. This product enhances your natural features. Twist the applicator to release the product, dab it onto the desired areas, and blend with your fingers or a brush. Usability: the lightweight formula is easy to apply and build, making it suitable for both makeup novices and professionals. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly, and the applicator minimizes mess. Durability: each tube contains enough product for months of regular use. The long-lasting formula stays in place throughout the day, keeping your glow intact. Taking our 4th spot is BareMinerals Complexion Rescue. The BareMinerals Complexion Rescue is a hydrating gel cream that combines the benefits of a moisturizer, foundation, and SPF into one product. It's the ultimate solution for a radiant, natural look. Key features: formulated with marine botanicals and mineral electrolytes, it deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin. The SPF 30 protection shields against harmful UV rays, while the sheer to medium coverage evens out skin tone without feeling heavy. Benefits and usage: this product hydrates like a moisturizer, covers like a foundation, and protects like a sunscreen. Apply with your fingers or a makeup sponge for a seamless finish. Its buildable formula allows you to customize your coverage. Usability: the lightweight texture glides onto the skin effortlessly and doesn't settle into fine lines. It's dermatologist tested, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Its natural finish works well for both casual and formal occasions. Durability: the 1.18-ounce tube is compact yet long-lasting. Even with daily use, it stretches for weeks, offering excellent value for a high-quality product. And finally, at number 5, we have Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. The Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector is a cult classic liquid highlighter that adds an ethereal glow to any makeup look. It's a must-have for those who love a luminous, radiant finish. Key features: infused with ultra-fine, light-reflecting pearls, this highlighter blends seamlessly into the skin for a natural glow. Its creamy, lightweight formula ensures a smooth application, and it's available in a variety of shades to suit all skin tones. Benefits and usage: this product enhances your natural beauty, whether used alone or mixed with foundation. Apply a small amount to the high points of your face or mix it with your moisturizer for an all-over glow. Its versatility makes it a staple in any beauty routine. Usability: the pump dispenser allows for precise application, minimizing waste. Its non-greasy formula works well on all skin types, and its luminous finish is perfect for both daytime and evening looks. Durability: the 1.7-ounce bottle offers months of use, as a little product goes a long way. Its long-wearing formula ensures your glow lasts all day or night. And there you have it, the top 5 best natural glow products that can transform your skin routine. Whether you're looking for intense hydration, a radiant highlighter, or a multitasking serum, these products deliver outstanding results. Glow with confidence, knowing you're using the best tools for the job. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Let's keep glowing together.